Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Nay, and today we're back at it with another video on this look right here. Like, these eyeballs are popping. It's like everything. I'm totally digging this look. But yeah, so if you want to go ahead and see how I did the dang thing, then just please go ahead and keep on watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't subscribed already. Hit that little notification bell and become part of the Peace Posse. Alright, well, yeah. So, without further ado, let's just go ahead and get right on into this tutorial. Yeah! We're just gonna go ahead and hop right on into this bad boy. So, literally my face is done, my eyes are primed. We're good to go in that sense. But go ahead and take a little bit of this color here. It's called Nakey, and we're going to go ahead and lay that down real quick in the crease. Not too much, because we're going to go very, very colorful look today. Straight up. Now that we got some color in our crease, we're going to go in a little bit deeper. I'm going to actually use the same brush. I went to this color here called BFF. We're just gonna go for it. Just gonna go for it. Build that color up. Go ahead and blend it up a little bit. Not too much, just like dispersing the color, whatever's left on my brush. So now that we got like our crease kind of blown out, so I'm gonna hop into this Morphe palette here. Use this one, and I'm gonna go ahead and put it on my eyeball. Don't mind my nails, you know. Something else I need to go get done. Get my light together. Now that the blue's on our eyes, I'm gonna go ahead and spray my brush. I'm using a Luxie 249. I'm gonna go ahead and, it's like double-ended. I'm gonna go ahead and use this guy. I'm gonna spray my brush with the Mario Badescu Rose Water. And I'm gonna go back into the Pure Cosmetics palette, and I'm gonna use this fire blue color called MIA. Yeah, so we're just gonna go ahead and so I just grabbed some airspun powder. I'm just gonna put some under. Back into that BFF color and blend our lives away. Okay, so now we're gonna go ahead and pick up this purple color from the Morphe 12P palette, and we're gonna just go ahead and kind of go in like our little crease. I don't bring it up too much, but I don't even know what kind of like look I'm going for. I'm just like doing it, you know. Up the corners, I'm just going back with my finger and then going back in, because I lost some of that blue pigment, go back in the MIA color and then pop it back on. Bye girl, we're gonna go ahead and go back in with the purple and do it all again though. Wow, really? lashes on off camera and popped some lashes on. I also did a inner corner highlight, and my eyes really red because I just stabbed it because I never do anything on the bottom of my waterline, but today I decided to, and that was a disaster. So yeah, this Winky Lux palette, I actually used this shade here for my inner corner highlight and spin them with All Natural from Milani, and I am going to go in with Vintage from Anastasia Beverly Hills for looking pretty poppin', but I want some more highlight or something, some like glitter, you know. I actually like this blue, it's like fire. Vintage highlight in Rose Quartz and Chocolate Diamond. I'm just gonna mix the two. I'm using like a really old this is the final result. I hope you like this tutorial, and if you like makeup vids, then give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to leave a comment down below and tell me what kind of videos you want to see. Also, if you're not subscribed already, make sure you hit that subscribe button, and while you're at it, hit that little bell as well so that we get notified every single time I post a video. I mean, like, if you're cool, you know? But anyways, yeah, so I hope you guys liked this tutorial, and I will see you in the next video. Alright, see you later, alligator. Bye!